While you guys are at Sun and Fun, I'm dodging snowstorms, but it's finally cleared up, so you know what that means. First backcountry flight of the season. Deschutes River, John Day River, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's a fun little turn-in final and dog leg on the runway. First true test of the 29s, and I'm realizing that we are at the 29 crew. Everybody's got 29, so let's check out what everybody else has got. These two are flying to Alaska together just before I head up to Alaska. So they're testing out gear, testing out refueling, and then you guys recognize Travis. This guy is in 180. He's taking the Skywagon home essentially because it spent most of its life up in Alaska. Travis, where are we headed next?
We are headed to the John Day.
All right, have some lunch there. And
What do you mean lunch? Did you bring food?
Oh yeah.
We did not discuss food. I brought charcuterie. I wasn't. You did?
No.
You got him.
Fuck, I would have brought cheese and bread.
Perfect time of year for this strip, man. It's soft, grass isn't too high, it's green.
Except we're missing the cheese.
God, you know what I want right now? God, I want some Gouda.
Like a cheese tray with a salami.
If only we had a competent French guy.
Well, so that's gonna be my checklist.
Yep.
Don't forget the fromage.
Sorry, Travis. You're right up on me.
Yeah, I'm like 400 feet high above you.
Okay. I'm at treetop.
Looking good.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks to Youri for the aerial footage.
Head direct to Black Butte. I got you guys in sight under my wing.
Next time, I'll get my camera set up, and we'll have a lot more fun backcountry adventures.
All right, Steve. I'm close up here. We're right wing.
All right, Travis. I think this is our time, man.
Yeah, till next time. Clear direct.